Hello friends, today I am going to show you how quickly you can start your new Laravel application with Laravel Jetstream. Laravel Jetstream is an application starter kit for your Laravel applications. Jetstream provides the implementation of your application's login, registration, forget password, email verification, two-factor authentication, session management, and it also provides API authentication with help of Laravel Sanctum. Optionally, the team management support is also there. So the Jetstream is designed using Tailwind CSS and it offers two choices of front-end scaffolding. The first is Livewire and the second is Inertia. Let's first discuss these two scaffolding. So these are two available stacks. The first is Laravel Livewire and second is Inertia.js. Laravel Livewire is a library that makes it simple to build modern, reactive, dynamic features using Laravel Blade as your templating language. If you are not comfortable with JavaScript frameworks like Vue.js, then Livewire is the best option for you. With Livewire, you can choose which pages of your application should be Livewire component, and while the rest of these can be your traditional Blade templates. The second stack is Inertia with Vue.js. The Inertia stack uses Vue.js for templating language. Building a Vue.js application with Inertia is like your normal Vue.js application. However, in this case we will use Laravel's router instead of Vue.js router. So what is Inertia? Inertia is a small library that allows you to render single file Vue components from your Laravel backend by providing the name of the component and the data that should be hydrated into your component's properties, the props. This stack gives you full power of Vue.js without complexity of client-side routing. If you are comfortable using Vue.js, then Inertia stack is a great choice for your application. So let's go ahead and install our first Laravel Jetstream application. So before you install Jetstream to your Laravel application, first you have to create a new application. I am asking you to create a new application because if you want to use Jetstream in your existing application, then it might create some issues because the Jetstream will create its own migrations and front-end views for login and sign up that might conflict with your existing files. So I would recommend you to create a new application. So there are many ways to create a new Laravel application. You can check the Laravel documentation. I am going to install it by Composer. With Composer, it's really easy to create a new application. There are two methods. There are two ways you can create a new application with Composer. First is Composer create project and second is the Laravel installer. Since I have already installed the Laravel installer, so I will create new application with Laravel installer. Open your terminal and in order to create a new application, just type Laravel new and name of your application. It will start creating a new application. So it will download and install Composer dependencies. So wait for a few minutes. So finally our basic application is ready. Now we have to install Laravel Jetstream. So in order to install Jetstream, you can use simple Composer command. So Composer requires Laravel Jetstream. Copy the command and run it. I will switch to my project directory. So I created the J tab, so I will cd J tab. Now run your composer command. This will download the composer dependencies for Laravel Jetstream and install them. So again, wait for a few minutes. Okay, so we have installed the Jetstream composer package. But next, let's see. So to install the Jetstream, we earlier discussed there are two stacks. One is Livewire and second is Inertia. So you can use accordingly. So if you want to install Livewire, then the command will be php artisan jetstream install and then Livewire. For the Inertia, you have to use php artisan jetstream install and Inertia. And there is optional Teams features that you want. So if you want Teams, then give the Teams option in your command. I'm going with the Inertia stack and I'm not using Teams, so I will simply use php artisan jetstream install Inertia. So copy the command and run the command in your project directory. It will create the migration and composer dependencies. Okay, so it is installed now. So we have installed the composer dependencies and we have installed the Jetstream with Inertia stack. So now we have to finalize the installation and we have to build the npm assets and run the migration. So before running the migration, I will have to configure the database details in our project. So in order to update the database detail, open your project environment file. I will use Sublime Text Open. You can use whatever you are using to edit your code, Sublime or Code Visual Studio Code or PHP Storm. So edit your environment file and update the database name and password. In my case, I will update the username and password just. And save it. I think it's complete. Now next. So we have configured the database. Now it's time to first build the npm assets. Simply run npm install command to install the npm dependencies first. Once the npm install command is complete, it's time to build the front-end assets, JavaScript files and CSS files. So simply run npm run dev command. And it will build your asset files. It is using Laravel Mix to build your files. So it will take just a few seconds. And the webpack is compiled. Now the last and final is to run your database migrations. So this is normal simple PHP Laravel command, PHP artisan migrate. And your database migration is complete. So far we have created a new Laravel application, then we installed the Jetstream composer library, then we installed the Jetstream with Inertia stack, and in the final we built the front-end assets and did database migration. So our installation is complete, so let's test it. So start your development server with php artisan shell, and it will start the development server. Copy the address and open it, or simply open it. And here is the basic Laravel application with Jetstream. So Jetstream had added this login and rest of functionalities to our app. So test our system first. First we have to register an account. Enter name, email, password, confirm password, and then just hit register. Voila. So we have just registered an account, and this is the dashboard page. It is made with the Tailwind CSS, so this is looking pretty good. Let's check the profile page. This profile page is generated with Jetstream. You have profile information page to update your name, email, then update your password. Then there is two-factor authentication. You can enable two-factor authentication. Then the browser sessions that you have logged in from different browsers, then it will show the list of all your login sessions. Then you can click log out other browser sessions to log out from other devices. And finally there is option to delete your account. You can configure this profile page with Jetstream. So again, let's try log out and log in again with email. And here again our login system works, registration works, our profile page is ready, and finally our logout works. So this was the basic example of how you can quickly start your Laravel application with Laravel Jetstream. In the following videos we will discuss how you can customize this application and add new pages to this application. So like our channel and subscribe, share with your friends if you like it. Thanks for all.